Good morning. What's good, YouTube? Guys, it's another day, it's another dollar. So today we're gonna go through a live trading session, guys. This video is not to be missed because I'm gonna break it down for you guys and basically show you how I picked this stock, the reason why I enter, etc, etc, and you're gonna see the live trade happen. So today we're gonna go through it, and this video is not to be missed. So preparation is needed. These are palm trees. I know some of you are living in the snow today. It's winter. Well, here it's not really that wintry, but this is the setup, guys. As you all know, simple laptop. So today, guys, we're gonna break it down step by step. I know you guys enjoy these kind of videos where you get to see me trade live in the stock market, and I'm also gonna show you my Discord chat and show you their results for today, because we're gonna be trading the same stocks based on the same strategy that I've been teaching you guys on this channel. Now, guys, this is the Discord chat. We call it the Monopoly family because everybody shares the same thoughts and beliefs here, especially at 8:30 a.m. We're all analyzing the stocks as we're doing. Some are still asleep because they're in the United States. The ones who are awake are now from Europe, but we're waiting for the US stock market to open because that's where the volatility is. And we're also watching the stocks that have released the news. So we still have plenty of time, guys. An hour and a half to go. So I'm gonna have to pause this. And when it comes to time to trading, I will analyze it with you guys, and at the end I will sit down and answer some of the common questions you guys ask, the common ones that I'll keep repeating myself on, but again, there's no harm done. I will still tell you guys what you need when it comes to trading. And like I said, a simple laptop is all you need, fast with executions, and it's not laggy, nothing else, right? So one strategy, one stock, one trade. That's today. We've got 10 minutes to market opening. At the moment, I just loaded up this stock called Under Armour. Now, Under Armour just released an earner report and ticked all the boxes that we look for every single day on my chat room. So, remember, one trade a day. That's all we focus on, is one stock, one trade. One stock, one trade. I mean, you can make 2 trades a day if you want to, but one trade a day on one stock is all I look for, because I'm not a robot. I cannot focus on multiple stocks. I need to see the price movements and put my full focus into this stock every single day. I know many people use all these big screens to have all these tickers, but when the market opens, you probably don't know which stock to go for. So let's just go right into it, guys, and go through this checklist real quick. Number 1, find the stock with the news, because the news will give you volatility on the day. Analyze the news. This will give you a direction of where the stock is heading. Ask the question, how will the investor react? That backs up this direction. Base your trade on one of the 4 patterns on the Monopoly chat room. So I gave you guys 4 patterns that come up time and time again with earnings. Patterns are just behaviors that occur time and time again, every single day in a single stock. What direction will the stock end up in? We talked about that. Support and resistance, you have to ask your question, where's the support, where's the resistance? And that's simple, anybody can do that. And then wait for the pullback and execute your trade. Again, the pullback is something that we have to focus on, but many people have this FOMO, fear of missing out, so they end up executing their trade quickly. So I already shared my game plan with the chat room. As you can see, this is the Monopoly chat room, and hopefully this chat room gets to do well and gets to kill it. So let me pause this, let me stop talking, and let's get right into it, guys. Let's make this trade. Okay, guys, so market just opened literally 2 seconds ago. I still haven't entered a position, but I'm waiting for the pullback. As you can see, the stock doesn't want to pull back, but I will be going in with 1,000 shares on this stock. Here is the pullback happening. Now watch this price. I need you guys to watch this price, especially if you have this course, because that's when my entry is going to be, right there. That's when my entry happened, right there. So $150, $200, here's $270, $300. Real quick, guys, I haven't paused anything. It's happening as we're talking. Now I could have taken this profit and went again, but I believe in the big drop. There's more sellers than buyers, and you can see it in the price movement. So I just took profits, but I'm going again on the second pullback. If it shows, I executed and covered 500 shares, but it's not that complicated. I could have just held on to it. So here's the pullback, and my entry's coming in again once it breaks 18. Alright, I'll go again. Here's the pullback, guys, 34. Alright, probably too early to this position, guys. Shorting again. So we're short again. Here we are, once again, $200. There's always a pullback. After every spike, there's always a pullback. 350. I want you guys to look at the price movement. The price tells you where it wants to go. Now, in this case, I'm right. Alright? And that's all I need, is to be right. So here's $500, guys. And time to walk away with the money. $600. Right, I'm out. Here's $500, guys. So the total for today was, here's 2,000 profit so far from the chat room. So the chat room is already killing it. $74, $2,000, 78. So for me, it was 600 on that short position. Now here's the pullback, but I won't risk it. This stock doesn't want to play by my rules. I'm not gonna play around with it. So literally 5 minutes, guys, in this trade. Here's the chat. Now this is where we get to share our profits. 5 minutes into market opening, literally the recorder has been going for 4 minutes. So as soon as I started it, you know, it kept going. So $600 on this trade. So guys, the chat room so far is doing well. There's more people typing, but I just want to show you the progress for today. We had mixed results for today, guys, but majority of it is profits, profits, profits. Obviously, some people trading with large capital, some people with small capital, and that's reflecting their profits here. Some people take smaller positions, whichever you're comfortable with at the end of the day. Yeah, what is this? Is that Monopoly, the Conor McGregor of trading? I appreciate all that, but I appreciate it when you guys are killing it. And here's the grand. It's funny when your students do better than you. But yeah, green is green. That's all that matters. Green is green, guys. And as you've seen, this stock done exactly what we wanted it to do, as predicted before market opened. And basically, we took the 20-30 cents. Just like I said in this chat, I told you guys I was going to take 20-30 cents. So with that being said, hopefully you learned a thing or two. Hopefully you got value. If you did, smashy smashy. If you're not making profits consistently, then you need to go back to square one. Education, paper trading, practice to build up your confidence, to build up your knowledge. And that's what matters at the end of the day. So making money here and there isn't good enough. You have to understand why you're trading, why you're making money in the stock market, because you will have to use it again. And remember, after every spike, there's a pullback. After every pullback, there's always a spike. And that's just the way the stock market works. Nothing stays the same. And that's why I take my profit quickly. I don't wait for whatever, you know, specific figure. And when people ask me how much money I need to start trading, I always say, start with 500, 2,000 with money that you're willing to lose, because emotions plays a huge role in trading, and the fear of losing money will always hold you back when it comes to pulling the trigger or taking profits from the stock market, right? So go in with money you don't need. Literally say to yourself, I don't care about this money. Not that you're gonna lose it, but because, you know, you're gonna detach yourself emotionally from that money. And that's what matters at the end of the day. And look, if you're willing to use leverage, then you can go ahead and use leverage. Everybody can use leverage. That means if you have 500, you can make it into 2,500 using leverage. Now, yes, it is risky. You could lose all the 500 if you end up losing on leverage, but again, that's just the stock market and the way it goes. We come to term with these things. So I'll see you again for more videos, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Smash that like if you made it this far. If you have anything to say, put it in the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the chat room if you decide to join.